Monetizing your passion, turning content into income. Are you passionate about creating content? Do you often wonder if you can turn this passion into a profitable venture? In this video, we will tell you how. Creating content is a powerful tool. It attracts audiences, builds brands, and drives sales. But to monetize it, you need a strategy. This video will guide you through the process, from ideation to cashing in. First, identify your niche. What do you excel at? What are your interests? Find a specific space where your content stands out. The more unique and valuable the content, the more likely you'll successfully monetize it. Next, create a platform for your content. This could be a blog, YouTube channel, an Instagram page, or even a podcast. The right platform depends on the nature of your content and your target audience. Quality is key. Ensure your content is top-notch, engaging, and valuable. This will help attract a loyal audience and potential sponsors. Remember, consistency is equally important in this journey. Once you've built a substantial following, it's time to monetize. There are several ways to do this: advertisements, sponsored posts, affiliate marketing, selling products or services, and more. Choose what best suits your content and audience. Don't forget to promote your content. Utilize social media, email marketing, SEO, and collaborations with other content creators. The more visibility your content has, the more opportunities for monetization. Finally, be patient and persistent. Monetizing your content doesn't happen overnight. It requires consistent effort, constant learning, and gradual growth. But when done right, it can turn your passion into a profitable venture. Monetizing your content is about strategy and perseverance. Your passion can become your income. Let this video guide you on turning your creative outlet into a money-making opportunity. To truly succeed, diversify your income. Explore various monetization methods, and don't limit yourself to one. This way, you'll create a more stable and sustainable income.